quick mic check. Say something for me.
Saying something for you.
Right there. There you go. Okay, you ready?
Sure.
Okay.
My name's Heath Niles, Journeyman Technician at Park Mazda. If you want nicknames, I saw them.
Yeah.
I have many. I have nicknames go from Richard, Bubbles, Herb, Harold, Heifer, Furfer, many. Yeah, Health is another one.
How would you describe your role?
I do a lot of general, so I pretty much do everything. A little bit of diagnostic, electrical, brakes, transmissions, engines, all that fun stuff. Yeah.
Okay, something you like to do?
Well, I like to go hunting, skating. I like to, believe it or not, I do like to cook and bake. I cook and bake, yeah, it's amazing.
What do you cook and bake?
I can do, from cooking, I can do a full meal course, like potatoes, roast, anything really. Baking, I do cakes, pies, whatever I feel like at the time. Yeah.
Okay, what is the dumbest way you've been injured?
I was racing through Trains Against Transfer case, and the air hydraulic jack that we use, I was going too quick, wasn't paying attention, and when it stroked to its full stroke, it bumped up a bit. My hand fell between the block and the cylinder, and I lost half my nail on this finger. I got 5 stitches in this hand.
Who would play you in the movie of your life?
Ivan.
That's me.
The strangest thing you've seen in someone else's phone?
Well, I haven't really seen a lot of strange stuff. But the coolest thing I've seen was we were at someone's place for dinner, and she was telling a story of how her husband caught this big sailfish marlin. It was really cool. I enjoyed it.
In one sentence, how would you sum up the internet?
It's useful, but a waste of time.
What was one time you screwed everything up, but nobody knew it was you?
Well, there's many stories. I really can't pick one. Honestly.
Just screwing up all the time.
No, it's more when I was an apprentice. That's when I screwed up a lot.
What was your first car?
95 GMC Sonoma, 2.2, 5-speed manual. Little rear-wheel drive truck.
Color?
Purple.
Two-door?
Yeah, regular cab, yeah.
What's your favorite Mazda and why?
I've always liked a 3 lineup. I've always liked the look. I've always liked how sporty they feel, especially in turns. Always got a lot of get up and go, and I've never had a lot of issues with them. They've been pretty good, so.
Why Park Mazda?
Well, I started off. I started off working on Mazdas when I first started in the trade, and yeah, I knew a fair amount, but coming into Park Mazda from 2018, I had to learn a lot, and it's been great here. It's been a lot of meeting new people, getting used to everyone. Everyone else had to get used to me, so I'm a little strange, but aren't we all?